talk on a very serious note, and the talk is all about your future, the hard work which you need to put in now in the days to come, and how we can make sure we actually put in hard work, what are the challenges which we face, and how we can handle all those challenges. First and foremost, let me compliment you and congratulate you. You're studying in a wonderful school, Kavanagh Public School. No wonder we are concerned about you. No wonder we have talks and initiations of this particular type, where we talk about the welfare of the students and the various challenges which they have, especially when it comes to grade 12 and the board examination. We are also very, very lucky because we've got wonderful teachers who go all out to help you whenever you need. So make the best use of the facilities which are available in the school. Make the best. You have nearly 2 months left. But in these 2 months, you'll have your practicals of all types. All you have it in the school when it comes to the vocational, but the sciences, we have all the practicals around. There also, you'll be taking so much of time preparing at the last minute, though we try to make sure that your files are complete well in time. But revision and preparing for the practicals will eat your time off, which is required for your theory examinations also. So anyway, time to set you right. We just want you to do better, and at times we become firm. That's the only thing which I would like to say. Yeah, this is a wonderful picture which is there. I'm sure Billy might be an icon for some of us, an idol for some of us who really like it. So he says that success is no accident, it is hard work, perseverance, learning, and love for what you are doing. Pele was born in a very poor family. And he had a very bad childhood. Rather, he was a school dropout. But then, he is one person who made the maximum football goals in his life. And he played 3 World Cups. And he was the star for many of us. And when he left, the money which was there in his account was more than $1 million. He did whatever he spent as much as he could. But what was left was this much. If for us, education is money, education is earning, education is comfort which I look forward, education is a position, then remember, success is not an accident. You have to work very, very hard for success, and it begins right now when you're in grade 12. And it goes on and on. Reminder, early in the morning, reminder to get up. You put it once until you change it, the same day the alarm will be there. But when it comes to human beings, a point which I always love to say, we need plenty of n number of reminders. Padho, padho. Your father, whenever he says pad rahe ho na bache, mother says padhoge na, teacher says padho na. So you might be fed up with all of us. But then today, you all need reminders. If you were so responsible, I think we never have to tell you again and again. You know, your performance from one unit test to the other and another shows it all, speaks out all. Alright? So lots of hard work is expected, and then I'm sure we'll be successful in our life, and we should love what we're doing. And right now, being a student, you have to love your academics and the preparation for your academics. So you are the future achievers, and we adore you and love you, and we expect that all of you are going to achieve. You are pride for your own self, your pride for your parents, your pride for us, and your pride for your society, for your relatives, for everybody you are a pride. But this pride can be managed and maintained if you work very, very hard. Alright? And we need that pride to pride only. So dear students, this is your moment to shine. The seeds of hard work you sow today will blossom into a garden of success tomorrow. So if you want to be very, very happy in the month of May, and when your results are declared, if you want to be celebrating your success, then this is the time you need to start working. Just 2 months in hand. February 15, your examinations begin, maybe somewhere 17, somewhere 18 or whatever, depending upon the subjects. But we've got very, very less time in hand. With so much of time which will go in our practical examinations. Please understand that there is no option. Make sure that you do not waste your time when it comes to when the school is closed. And then of course we are arranging some extra classes for children who so require or whom the teachers feel, isko to maine bulana hai winter break mein. Just imagine how blessed you are. Your teacher say, मेरी छुट्टी की परवाह नहीं मैडम, पर मैंने ये 4 बच्चों को तो बुलाना है, ये 10 को तो मैंने बुलाना है, इनकी स्पेशल क्लास करनी है. So if that facility is available and your teachers are wonderful teachers, please make sure that you avail these facilities. It will be 1:1, falana chapter nahi aata. Please meet your teacher and say, ma'am, sir, I need you to explain me this particular chapter. And they'll go out of the way to help you out. So please understand, you need to avail the facility which the school is providing as such. Remember, the entire school community believes in your potential and stands up to you. एक ट्रस्ट है, एक फेथ है आप सबके ऊपर कि यू गोइंग टू परफॉर्म वेल. ऑल वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज फैसिलिटेट दैट ट्रस्ट एंड फेथ. सिर्फ आपको पीछे से हम शाबाशी दे रहे हैं कि माय बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, यू रियली नीड टू वर्क हार्ड. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू वर्क हार्ड एंड यू परफॉर्म वेरी वेल. द काउंटडाउन टू सक्सेस एग्जामिनेशन इज योर विक्ट्री टू अचीव. वो हमारी एक लड़ाई है जो साल भर पढ़ने के बाद इट विल बी इवैल्यूएटेड by the board people in just 3 hours. You did extremely well in Unit 1, in September examination, pre-board. This is the examination for which you're being prepared through all those examinations. So this examination has to be taken very, very seriously. You all have to work hard and there's no options for you. बस मेहनत करनी है, चिंता नहीं करनी है, मेहनत करनी है, and we are there to support you in all your endeavors. So revise and revise again. A thorough revision clears all the doubt. ये common sense है और ये fact है. The more you revise, the more you remember. You should revise so many times that just before the examination, if you close your eyes, कि वो equation कैसे derive करनी है? अच्छा, alright, पहले ये फिर you can actually do it. We've been doing it. Oral revision हो जाता है when you revise so many times. You revise once, you've written everything, you solve the equation, you solve the formula, you have various stages of a particular topic which is there. But if you revise it again and again, the entire book's page gets printed in your head. Uske baad next page if I turn, then this comes in, yeah, that's alright, and this page comes in. That's how it happens if you revise thoroughly. So revise. Ye 2 baar padh le. Please 3-4 times. You should have solid 4 revisions before you sit for your board examinations. You're sure to come out in flying colors if you do it. Abhi time hai. We have got 2 months. Usme जी जान लगा दो. मेहनत कर दो. We are here to cheer you up. We are here to give a pat on your back. Please, we need to study very hard. So revision is the month. And you're not alone. Reach out to teachers, friends, mentors, and they are one step away to help you. And again, you're not alone. You're not the only school where grade 12 is preparing for a board examination. Grade 12 is in most of the schools, and all the schools are preparing their children for the board examination, and so are the children preparing themselves. Children from all over the country are preparing for board examinations who are there in grade 12. And CBSE classes are in different countries also. So children in different countries also are preparing for the CBSE board examination. So you're not the only one. So no regret, no worry, and no sitting and pondering over kya hai. So we all have to sit for the examination. We've spent 1 full year in grade 12, and now the time has come to see where we stand. So result reflects effort. Each effort builds the final result. So stay confident. Confident तो रहना, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, कोई बात नहीं, अब करेंगे. So you have to forget what has passed, but you have to remember that even now you can do it. So we have not come to that brink where nothing can be done. We can still do so much, and we should be doing it. You are unique, you have your own potential, and your potential is limitless. The only person to beat is yesterday you. September with this much percentage, pre-board this much percentage, second pre-board this is the percentage, and final this is the percentage which I aim for. I'm not concerned somebody got 98 in my class and I got 48 in my class. It's immaterial. I have to improve my 98 to maybe 99% or 100%, And if I got 48 or 58, I need to move on to 70s and 80s. So you have to compete with yourself, not with the other people. The moment you start competing with other members of your class, you may not be comfortable and happy. So compete with yourself. अच्छा इतना था ना, अब देख लेना, अब मैं और अच्छा करूँगा, और अच्छी करूँगी. Whatever you feel like, that's how it goes. Now during this preparation which we are talking about, your grade 12 examination, you'll be having plenty of distractions left and right. Lots of distractions. So what are these distractions? Let's take them one by one. So we have this digital distraction which was never there when we sat for the examination. See, your precious device, your mobile is always there in your hand. And that keeps on sending notifications, especially the Snapchat. Tuck, it goes on continuously. So the social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, all these are distractions. You know it, I know it, we know it. So we have to do something about it. We cannot smile away and say, फिर क्या हुआ, फिर क्या? नहीं, कुछ तो होता है. Disturbance तो होती है. So we have to see how to fight this distraction. Can we fix it up? मैं 5 बजे देखूंगी, or 7 o'clock I'll see, and in the meantime I'll put it aside. Something we'll have to do. Distractions are plenty, and you're the only one who will reduce these distractions. We cannot do it. It looks so absurd. 18 years child, and the parent says, "Ida mobile mein lukota hai, rakh liya apne phone." That's absurd. So that willpower should be there in you, and you should be saying, "अच्छा ठीक है, मैं रख लिया, मैं नहीं use करूँ." All right? You have used it throughout the year. It's okay, but now you have to hold on. All right? Then online games, some of us आधा घंटा खेल ही ना ले, फिर मैं नहीं सो सकता. So please make sure we do away for some time. We're not saying कि बंद ही कर दो, but only for these 2 months, say till 31st of March when you have your examination. तब तक इसको थोड़ा side में कर. Understand your future is in your hand. Me pleading, me talking doesn't matter. But if it comes from inside you कि हाँ सही तो कह रहे हैं मैडम, नहीं करना चाहिए. If it comes from you, you will implement it in your lives. All right? So I'll be so happy if you implement text messages and phone notification. You know, we the old timers still type like this. You do it like this. Both your thumb. Your mom and dad must be doing the way I do it, this way. Right? We take time to message and छोड़ो ना. But you're so fast at it, आपके तो message चलते ही रहते. So please, we're going to use our energy for the right things now. I understand you have grown up in this generation. COVID actually gave acceleration to the use of IT devices. But let's understand what is the necessity, how much should be used. Your career is in your hand. कितना आगे बढ़ना है, it depends upon you. And कितना आगे बढ़ना है depends upon the marks you score. Because on the basis of that, you get admissions in various universities and colleges. And maybe if you want to go abroad, even then your marks matters. So streaming platform, Netflix, Disney, new serial has come. Have you seen it? I have seen it. So please, we have to. These are the digital distractions. We have to keep us away from them. So remember all these points. Abhi zero nahi ho payega distraction. Try to reduce them. Distractions are plenty. We have this environmental distraction also. All right. There could be now noisy surroundings. Maybe you're living in a market area where there's always too much of noise and that disturbs you. But you can't do anything about it. So you have to get used to खिड़की दरवाजे बंद करने पड़ेंगे, then you have to get used to it. Interruptions from family members or family. मैं सोचा बच्चा आके देखना सो तो नहीं गए. The mom says, the dad says, the sister says, तू नजर रखी, and everybody's नजर रखो business going on grade 12 students. So please, this must be irritating to you. But forget it. Because parents feel distraction, environmental, and my internal distractions. So overthinking and constant worry. पता नहीं क्या होगा, साल भर तो नहीं सीरियस से, अब तो गए. पता नहीं क्या होगा. So that is your internal distraction. तो गए नहीं है अभी 2 महीने पढ़े हैं, हमने पढ़ना है. अभी भी पढ़ लेंगे, guarantee है you will score good marks. Right? All that you will do is become very, very serious. Daydreaming or lack of focus. ध्यान ही नहीं लगता, पटक जाता है. मैं वजह अपनी किताब रख रहे हैं तो उनको घूम जाता है, पता नहीं चलता. So we did that daydreaming, dreaming for something which is not required of you, you need to focus. And hunger, tiredness, or lack of proper sleep, all this happens when you're not focusing properly, when you're not studying properly. So all these are my internal distractions. Internal distractions are relationships also. Oh, she's my girlfriend, I don't know what she's thinking about me, and he's my boyfriend, I don't know what he's doing, पढ़ भी रहा है कि नहीं पढ़ रहा, पूरे साल उसने नहीं पढ़ा, मेरे को भी नहीं पढ़ने देता. All those are also relationship distractions are also there. So distractions of any type and all type have to be put aside. Up mature, you're not a child of grade 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're in grade 12, you understand what is good for me. If you have a big deep drench here, you're not going to jump into that drench, you'll say, idhar se rasta theek nahi hai, idhar se nikal jao. You understand that if you fall in that, you will hurt yourself. So if you fall into all these distractions, you're going to waste your time. So please understand and do away with all these distractions. Something more. Peer pressure. Friends who can't see, who aren't serious about this exam, a social plan for not interfering with study time. बहुत पढ़ लिया, तू पढ़, मैं साढ़े ग्रुप था, तू रहने दे, अपन गिड़ी मार के आओ. So please make sure that you don't disturb your friends and understand. हो गया ना गिड़ियाँ पूरियाँ. हम तो 12th है, वो भी December. So please make sure peer pressure should also, you try to fizzle out of this peer pressure. दोस्ती रखनी है तो रखो. Take all serious examples, and mummy gussa hongi, your father gussa hongi, whatever it is, but avoid. The moment you go out, distractions, you have fun time, you shout, you out, and then you drive fast, and then, chill out as you call it. And then when you come back, फिर ध्यान नहीं लगता ना पढ़ाई में. पढ़ाई का तो माहौल बनाना पड़ता है. You have to create an environment around you. Alright, a serious environment where you just focus. एक मंजिल, एक नजर, and that is your academic excellence. So please, if you have not planned all this, and if you don't give importance to all this, you need to give importance now. And then, पढ़ाई नहीं होंगी जब तक मैं म्यूजिक ना सुनूं. मेरे लिए टीवी बहुत जरूरी है. अब बच्चे वो फिर गलत बात है ना, वो मल्टीटास्किंग तो हो चुका ना. दिसंबर 15-16 तक हो गया. अब हमें मल्टीटास्किंग नहीं करना. We have to just focus on academic. So avoid music, avoid watching anything which you feel like. So listening to music, watching TV, so please avoid it. And balancing too many subjects without focus of priorities. I don't know physics and I keep on studying my biology, or I don't know biology, I keep on studying chemistry, or I don't know chemistry, I keep on maybe the multimedia, maybe all the subjects over here. So please make sure जो नहीं आता उसको जरूर पढ़ लो. Because you put it off till tomorrow, you put it off, फिर पढ़ेंगे, and then it piles up, and then there are so many fears about it. डर लग रहा है उसका उस subject को पता नहीं क्या होगा. So please, we do not put off till tomorrow what we can do today. And if you really have your fears about a particular subject, please ask your teachers to help you. I promise you, none of your teachers are going to say no to you. Every teacher is going to help you. अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. And even if a teacher say a line, it's okay. भाई बाकी तो पढ़े तो नहीं है ना. चलो you can always say अच्छा मैंने अब पढ़ा दो सर, अब पढ़ा दीजिए. I'm sorry I didn't pay attention. Sorry सूर्य क्या है कि अपना टाइम पास करके सब कुछ सीख लो, सब कुछ पढ़ो. Right? Your annoyances. There are certain things in this world which keep on annoying us. वो भी हमारे distractions हैं. My friend has a mobile which is more than 1 lakh rupees. मेरे को तो 30,000 वाला लेके दिया है मम्मी पापा ने. I don't have an iWatch मेरे steps में count कर सकते थे. That was my exercise. I don't have it because my parents couldn't afford and they haven't given me. I'm so upset. ऐसी family में मैं पैदा क्यों हुआ? So and so has wonderful clothes. I don't have it. My mother and father, they talk very oddly, and I don't like when they talk to my friends. But these annoyances have no solution. You can choose your friends or family. Alright? So friends are by choice and parents are by chance. Whatever God has given us, wherever we were supposed to be born, we are born. I don't like my brother or my sister or my mother or my father or my aunt. Nothing can be done about it. You are in that family. You try to raise the standard of your family if you feel they are not up to your standards. If you believe it's wanted. वो simple लोग नहीं, वो सादे लोग नहीं. They are from the from the good old days, and they have their own values and own beliefs. वो झूठ भी नहीं मानते हैं, वो ईमानदारी से जिंदगी जीना चाहते हैं. They don't believe in eating nonsense outside. They're different people. But then what happens? So please make sure that you value where you are. Things which cannot be changed need to be accepted happily. So please, इसकी वजह से annoyance नहीं करना है. Because nothing should be disturbing to you now. Certain things which you can change, please go ahead and change. Which you cannot change, happily accept them as they are. That's God's will. So overcoming exam fear. So turn fear into fear. डर लग रहा है, पढ़ाई कर लो. ताकत ले लो उसी की. And start studying a lot. Fear is natural, but it's also temporary. Use it to push yourself beyond. When I sat for my grade 12 examination, even I had all my fears. पता नहीं क्या होगा. When your teachers sat, even they had their fears. When your parents sat for grade 12 examination, even they had fear. Even now when you're sitting, आपको भी डर लग रहा होगा. Some of you, if you have not prepared. When you are prepared for your examination, when you revise 4 times, as I keep saying, you'll be walking with all the confidence in the world and go and sit in the examination. So that's the confidence we need. So no fears. Fears are there. जब तैयारी कट होती है, तो लड़ाई तो डर लगता है. युद्ध तो, war तो. But जब तैयारी पूरी होती है, all the अस्त्र शस्त्र are there, then we are ready to fight the war. And your war is your grade 12 examination, for which you have to prepare and fight. Importance of positive mindset. नहीं होगा to hell with it. You have to be very positive. Believe in yourself. मैं कर लूँगा, मैं कर लूँगी, whatever it is. So please make sure, trust in your energies, trust in your capacities, and trust in your beliefs. Focus on your strength, chart and flow chart. So what are mnemonics? They are those formulas which you create to remember something. For example, when you were in maybe 7th grade, you wanted to study the color of the rainbows, and your teacher must have told Vivigyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, red is Vivigyor. So these are mnemonics. M is silent over here. So please have your own mnemonics. For example, for the planets, it was my very educated mother served me some nuggets today, so it's Mercury, Venus, and all those things. So please make your own mnemonics. I still do it if I have to remember certain points. I make my mnemonics so that it helps me to remember it. And then mind maps. Mind maps are, on the chart paper you say first is this, the definition, then it comes this way, and then I move down and this and this. So the entire flow chart or sort of a mind map and flow charts are made by me. And then this is picture visualization. You just have to revise it. Uska flow chart yes. Then this happened, then this happened, then this happened. So that would be in your mind, and you can recall the entire picture, and you can actually write down everything. So please understand this so that you don't have any issues and challenges, and then practice writing answers wherever you have to have any doubt. Some cheese pad ke nahi hoti. Sometimes you have to write down the important points as you're studying so that you can revise it when you need to. Now this is very, very important. We have to avoid junk food. You just can't afford to fall sick. So you can't go and go out and have some tikki chaat something, or some noodles or something from somewhere. Because if you fall sick, you will be wasting 3 days. डॉक्टर की दवाई लेनी पड़ेगी, बुखार हो जाएगा, स्टमक अपसेट हो जाएगा, the entire family would be worried कि क्या हो जाए. So please, for these 2 months till the examination is over, so March also 3 months, please have your home cooked healthy food. After that, you do whatever you want, जो खाना खाते रहो. तो ये 3 महीने सारे precautions ले लीजिए, because it's very, very important. Of course, sleep is important. What happens if you don't sleep? पूरी रात पढ़ के मैं तो एग्जाम देने गया, वहाँ गए कुछ नहीं याद, गड़बड़ है. अभी 6 घंटे नहीं सोना है, तो एटलीस्ट ड्यूरिंग द डे ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन 4-5 घंटे सोइए. और अभी यू कैन अफोर्ड टू study for more hours, and then whatever suits you. If you are a late night bird, तो आप रात को ज़्यादा पढ़िए. If you are early morning bird, तो सुबह उठिए 4 बजे 3 बजे. It depends whatever suits your body clock. So accordingly prepare and study. Of course we need to exercise. थोड़ी सी गेम 10-5 मिनट की ज़रूर खेलिए. So handling exam stress तो होती है. I can't say stress क्यों है आप लोगों को. Stress का क्या मतलब है? एग्जाम तो देते होती है. चलो stay calm, stay focused, practice deep breathing. I remember there was one child, and the child would say, गुस्सा आता है ना, लगता है तोड़ दें, फोड़ दें, all that stuff. So what do I do? I said, what do you do then? So then what, ma'am, I start counting, reverse counting. 10, 9, 1 में काउंट करते तो 1 आ गया, तो ठीक ठाक लेवल 1. फिर एंगल चेंज है. So wherever need be, please make your own ways. Deep breathing कर लीजिए, back counting कर लीजिए, take the name of Lord Almighty. You can even talk to yourself, not going to get angry in your mind, but I want to study hard, I want to study hard, depending on the situation. Focus on what you know, avoid last minute cramming, it doesn't work. If you don't understand and learn, you'll forget when you are writing it down. Now this is very, very important. Pack all essentials, admit card, stationery the night before. There was this child and he goes for the examination and he misses, it was the last week. So he misses, I think he was in 10th class and there were 6 subjects with him and he misses the admit card. And then he bosses around, फिर की हो गया, 5 पेपर ऐसा दिखाया था, वो नहीं लेके आया, भूल गया, फिर क्यों, तो बिना मदद जानता. They said, all right, if that's the case, he said, you're right. लेके नहीं आओगे तो घुसने नहीं देंगे. So then he was turned mad and then he goes and calls up, the father comes in, तब तक आधे घंटे से 45 मिनट हो गए थे, उसके बाद board doesn't allow. And the child could not sit for that paper in the our school studio. So don't boss around on all these things. Number 1, your admit card should be there with you every day. It is mandatory. If you don't have your admit card, your roll number, they're not going to let you in. And then you'll give a call, school से duplicate copy ले लो, मेरा admit card पैंट में धुल गया. You keep on telling us, and then you send somebody, अगर हो जाता है तो we send some teacher or somebody. But why somebody? Please take care of your belongings and have a photocopy of the admit card, whatever it is. Keep a spare one always. So make sure that you don't forget this. And then reach the examination center at least 30 minutes before the scheduled time. Because when you rush and go, you're breathless, you go and sit in the examination center, you just don't know what to do. So please make sure that you don't come at the last minute. जाके चैन से बैठो, so that there's no habra-dabri and then your mind is at peace and then you can recall everything. Because examination is all about recalling. Whatever have you learned, you have prepared, all that has to be recalled and written in those 3 hours. The entire year's studies is to be put in 3 hours. वो 3 घंटे के लिए focused होना है. वो 3 घंटे के लिए should not be disturbed by any means or any cost. I'm using only blue ball pen or gel pens for writing answers. So last year we had one child who said, पता नहीं green से लिख दिया या red से लिख दिया, with some other color pen. Then the result was looked. It's a fact. I'm not trying to cook stories here. And then the teacher, Arvind, you had to go? Yeah, she had to go with the child to Chandigarh, to the center of the CBSE office at Chandigarh. And then the child had to give an undertaking, I'm sorry, मुझे पता नहीं था, मैंने लिखा तो था admit card पे, I never took it seriously. हमारे पिछले स्कूल में 10th class में हमको कुछ नहीं कहते थे ICSE में, हमें पता ही नहीं था and all that stuff. And she had to go all the way from here on behalf of the school. So please don't experiment. अभी जो roll number admit card पे लिखा है बस वही पेन लेके जाना है. And then there was another case where another teacher had to go. बच्चे ने क्या किया, थोड़ी सी नोटबुक फाड़ ली, आंसर शीट फाड़ ली. So then the teacher had to go कि intentions बिल्कुल ठीक थे, बच्चे नहीं केयर किया, फट गया, whatever it is. So please, you're not going to tear apart any page, any piece of your answer sheet. You're not going to damage it at any cost. कुछ भी damage होगा, कुछ भी, and they're not going to make some symbols. You know, sometimes they make some symbols. अब भगवान को याद रखो. But if you start making this symbol or swastik sign or om or ekam, that's a symbol for the examiner to understand. I hope you understand. And then your copy could be rejected because of all those symbols. ये खास लिखा रहता है. जो भी याद करना ना, हाथ जोड़ के अपने Lord Almighty को याद करें. Don't put कि हर पेज पे लिख दिया or something like that. And don't make a khacha-macha out of your answer sheet. After every question, when you write the answer, you're not supposed to write the questions. After every answer, leave 2 lines at least. If the person who's checking your answer sheet, उसको बहुत time लगेगा. See, for every answer sheet